Hi friends, welcome to Navani's Spice Magic. Today I shall prepare a very authentic, simple yet powerful biryani recipe, that is Kuska biryani. Kuska biryani is basically plain version of biryani without any vegetables. It is quick and easy. Today I am using Jeeraga Sambar rice instead of Basmati rice. This Jeeraga Sambar rice in Telugu it is called as Chitti Mutyalu. It is a flavorful rice variety best suited for any biryanis or fried rice varieties. Let's check the process. Before entering into the process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. You can follow me on my Facebook page Navani Spice Magic and Instagram Neeta Srinivas. Don't forget to like and comment too. First, let's prepare the salan for the biryani. So for that we need onions. I have taken one onion, sliced it. Peanuts, 1 tablespoon peanuts. Desiccated coconut, dry coconut, I have taken around 1 tablespoon. Sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon. Tamarind pulp, thick tamarind pulp, little. Salt to taste. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon. Chili powder according to your spice. And for seasoning you need onions finely chopped. Coriander. So first let's fry for salan. Let's heat a kadai. Add little oil to this. To this we'll add peanuts. Roast them a little bit. We'll add sesame seeds. We'll add onions. We'll fry the onions till they become translucent. They need not become golden brown. They have to just become translucent. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste. We'll add coconut, dry coconut. Little turmeric powder. Chili powder according to your spice. Coriander powder, cumin powder, salt. Mix this properly. Add tamarind pulp. Now I'll turn off the stove, allow it to cool down completely, then grind it into paste. The ingredients required for Kuska biryani are coriander chopped. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions and sliced them into thin slices. Curd, I have taken 1 tablespoon. Mint leaves chopped. 1 big tomato sliced. 2 green chilies slit. Bay leaf. Salt to taste, cumin powder, chili powder. Check for the chili powder because we are already taking green chilies, so according to that spice you adjust. Coriander powder, ginger garlic paste. These are the dry masalas. I have taken 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 1 cinnamon and 1 anise seed. That's it. This is coconut milk. So I have taken 2 cups of rice. I am taking Jeeraga Sambar rice. So for that I need 2.5, for 1 cup of rice I need 2.5 cups of water. So I have divided that 2.5 cups into, like I have taken 2 cups. So totally I require 5 cups. In that I am taking 1.5 cup of coconut milk and 2.5 cups of water. This is Jeerige Sambar rice. You can use basmati rice if you like, but this has got more flavor. Heat a vessel in which you are going to prepare the biryani. I'm adding ghee. If you like, you add ghee or butter or oil. It is up to you, but it tastes good with ghee. So I have added ghee. First I'll add the dry masalas. Bay leaf. Fry this a little bit. I'll add green chilies. Now I'll add onions. Fry them a little bit. Let's add ginger garlic paste and fry till it loses its rawness. Now we'll add tomatoes. Let's add chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt to taste. Mix it properly. Let's add coriander, mint, mix this well. Let's add curd to this. I have drained out water from the rice. Just adding rice to this. Now we'll mix this properly. We'll just fry this rice in this masalas for a few seconds. I've taken Jeerige Sambar rice. If you take basmati rice, the measurement of water and coconut milk differs. For basmati rice, you will just need 1.5 cup of water. So for that, we need to take 1 cup of water and half cup of coconut milk. To this, I'll add water. I'll add coconut milk. Mix this well. Cover it and cook until it is cooked properly. The rice gets cooked properly. Let's cover this and cook. The mixture got cooled, which we fried for salan. So we'll just grind this into paste. We'll add oil to a heated kadai. We have to make the gravy. So we have grinded the gravy. We have to fry that. So I'll add cumin seeds to this. Add onions, finely chopped onions. The onions got fried. Now we'll add this gravy, whatever we prepared. We'll mix this. Now we'll add water to this and make it little thin. Shouldn't be too thick. And we'll allow this to cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. This is boiled now. This thickness is fine. Now I'll add coriander to this and transfer this into a bowl. Here is our super delicious, aromatic, flavorful kuska biryani ready to be savored with salan and raita. This salan, when made only with onions, can be served with any biryani, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. The same gravy to which if added any vegetables like brinjal, capsicum, tindora, ridge gourd, mirchi, etc. gets a new taste that complements best with rice, roti, naan, paratha, etc. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.